In the world of gardening, there are plenty of ways to boost the health and growth of your plants naturally. One of the most effective methods is to create your own liquid fertilizer using ingredients that might otherwise go to waste. This not only helps your plants thrive, but also reduces the amount of kitchen waste you produce. It's a win-win for your garden and the environment. To make this powerful liquid fertilizer, you'll need some overripe bananas or banana peels and brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, molasses works just as well. Start by cutting the bananas into small pieces. If you're using peels, you can skip the cutting and use them as they are. In a container, add a layer of banana pieces, then cover them with a layer of brown sugar. Continue layering like this, alternating between the banana pieces and the brown sugar. Once all the ingredients are in the container, mix them thoroughly. The sugar will begin to draw out the moisture from the bananas, which is essential for the fermentation process. After mixing, put the lid on the container and set it aside in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks. During this time, it's important to stir the mixture occasionally. This helps the fermentation process and ensures that everything is breaking down evenly. After 2 weeks, you'll notice that a liquid has formed in the container. This is your liquid fertilizer, created through the fermentation of the banana and sugar mixture. To use it, strain the liquid into a separate container, removing any remaining solids. You'll need to dilute this concentrated fertilizer before applying it to your plants. A good ratio is to mix half a liter of the liquid fertilizer with about 5 gallons of water, creating around 15 liters of ready-to-use fertilizer. This homemade fertilizer is rich in nutrients that are vital for plant growth. Bananas are naturally high in potassium, which helps plants develop strong stems and roots, improves their resistance to disease, and enhances flowering and fruiting. The fermentation process also breaks down the sugars, making the nutrients more easily available to your plants. Using this liquid fertilizer can lead to healthier, more robust plants with improved yields. It's especially beneficial for flowering plants, fruit trees, and vegetables, providing them with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. If you're interested in more gardening tips and natural fertilizers like this one, be sure to check out our channel. We've got plenty of videos on making your own fertilizers and sprays, along with other gardening techniques. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our content so you never miss out on our latest updates.